We may not know each other, but I would like to reach out in a non-spammy way. My name is Kelly Primich, and I started driving memory lane on Instagram a few years ago in hopes of connecting with people just like me that view old cars as time machines. To keep it short and sweet, I have a vision of building a brand that stands for finding, building, and bringing history back to life. I'm aiming to create multiple car clubs, chapters, nationwide that give back to the younger generations in a big brother type of way with mentorship and creating a core skill set. It's a little step in a direction my passion bleeds for. To come together, to be friends, to never be alone. Every follow, comment, like, share, subscription, and word of mouth gets me closer to building what could be. I'm trying to diversify my content and reach out into the YouTube world. I am starting to recycle some of my older content. So the content that I've taken over the years, primarily it has only been pictures for Instagram, but I'm trying to get a little bit more entertaining. So this is my 1927 Model T Ratrod. I picked it up it would have been late December, around Christmas time. Yeah, it was actually Christmas Eve that I got it. But the guy put it on 1969 or a 1970 Volkswagen chassis. It has an engine in the rear, as you can see. There's a lot of work to be done on it, but hopefully I can make it something unique and a viral sensation. It's definitely not something that you'd see every day by any means, and it's pretty wicked car. It's very, very fun to drive around. It's not street legal yet, but I am working on it. So hopefully by summertime, get it road ready and be ripping up the streets of Alberta. So what am I doing today? I am going to get my Ratrod going. The battery is frozen in it, so I gotta boost it. Hopefully that battery is good. Look at that, hasn't started in 3 months.